Alright, here we are again. Just hosed her off. Looking pretty clean. Gonna start her up here and take her for a little run down the street, dry her off real quick. But I just got well, it's been sitting for a while. It's not really smart, but went riding Memorial Day and just cleaning it now. But anyways, fuck that thing. I taped that up so the gas wouldn't pour out and I can't get the tape off. So, here she is. Like I said before in my other videos, it's a 91 YFM350. Pretty much entirely modded out, minus the swing arm carrier and steering stem, but I still am looking for a Lone Star steering stem. So if you have one, let me know. I'm most likely to buy it, as long as it's not at brand new prices. Memorial Day was pretty uneventful. I did roll it once right when I got there, got that out of the way. I ended up breaking the banjo bolt here off the brake lever, so I had no front brakes the whole weekend, but I managed. It ran great. I probably should check the valves and, you know, do some maintenance, change the oil. All the bearings should be good, so I should be good there. I definitely need to clean the filter, but I don't feel like doing it right now. I'm going to run it up the street. I'll do it when I get back or some other day. See if it starts up. Hopefully it will. My battery isn't dead. Takes a little bit more to crank over the 450 cam. Yeah, there we go. Slapping. There we go. Well, maybe not. Turn this idle up a little bit. It's kind of hard with one hand.